Hey and welcome. Today we're gonna be unboxing the best smart budget smartwatch, SENBONO, and check if it is worth buying. So let's go. Welcome back with the Raqmedia tutorial here with Izzadeen. It comes with 4 colors, the blue, white, pink and the red one. At the front we have the logo and picture of the smartwatch. At the top you have the color. As we said, this is black. And at the back you have the QR code for the application which comes with this smartwatch, that will be showing you how to use it later, and some characteristics as it is claimed to be. The smartwatch comes with a battery capacity of 110 milliamperes, equipped with Bluetooth 4.0, and it is waterproof grade IP68 and with a screen resolution of 1.3 inch. The application works with iOS or Android, so don't worry what operating system you have on your mobile phone. Good, so that's the package. So let's open it. Good, the first thing you have is the help booklet, which you find some guidelines on how to use this smartwatch, some screenshots and options for different functions, and the application, how to use it. Here we have specification of the Android. The CPU is HS 6620D. And is the Chinese part. Good. Next we have the smartwatch. Comes with a classic package. And the one which says smart budget. So just remove this rubber. Good. Come back to it later. What do you have next? It's the charger, which is the USB charger, and it has clips to be used to charge smartwatch. Good. Let's go back to the smartwatch now. So it comes with a plastic protector that you can keep. So you have some in here, just press it. Good. It's a little bit slight, and the plastic and good quality, and it has too many holes, and this is useful to adjust to all the wrists of whether young or old people. Good. It's really light, comfortable to wear. So that's the front. That's the look of a classic watch. On the back we have the sensors for the heartbeat and the other functions. Next we have the chargers that you can plug them in easily. Just it's easy to use. Make sure that in the correct direction. Just make sure that it is on this direction. The button must be on your left. That's the correct way to get it charged. Next you just plug in this USB port. You plug in the cable into your USB port with a computer or any other devices. Let's turn it on and have a look at the different functions and options that this best smart budget watch offers. So to turn it on, you just press this button in here, press and hold it until the smartwatch turns on. We'll have a short vibration, and that's it. So that's our smartwatch. It has already started. So as you have noticed, we have a touch space or square at the bottom in here. So if you want to change, so and this will allow you to go through the different functions and the different options that we have in here. Let's go through them one by one. So the front screen shows the different functions, the heartbeat, the steps, the time of course, battery. So the first one is the tracker. Will track your steps and the calories that you have burned. Good. Next one can also track your sleeping mode or sleep monitor. Next we have the heartbeat and training for sports activities. The blood pressure monitor. The blood oxygenation monitor. Your messages on the different platforms, whether your calls, your SMS, or Viber messages, WhatsApp messages, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Can also set reminders. The remote camera, when the phone is linked to your watch, just open the camera from your phone, and after that find the shutter, which is this icon, and press on it in order to take a photo for a long press. Next we have the music player. And open your music from your phone and find the player, which is that icon. By long press on it, you can choose the pause or play or previous or next song from the playlist, which is already configured in your mobile. Next we have the settings or other settings, where you can change the configuration and all the other things, and that's it. So pretty cool colors and varied options. So as we said, this is the smart budget, and it comes really with a very promising options at that cost, but do not get your expectation too high. So should not compare it to other expensive smartwatches like that of Apple smartwatch, but this one does the job with a really very low price. You have the timers, you can mute the sound, brightness, and reset your phone, turn it off, just long press and you can turn it off. You can go back, we'll go back, just long press. So the lights are pretty good at night, but on daylight they may not be that obvious, and you need to make a shade for the watch in order to see well. Also the measurements are not that accurate, so do not use this watch and smartwatches in general for medical reasons. It's just approximation. We have said this is a waterproof watch, but that does not include the hot water, so don't put it on hot water. On the overall, that's really a smart budget which will do the job. Let's take the heartbeat measurements. As you can see, it is loading. Well done. So as you can see, it's live measurements, 69. Good. Training. blood pressure. It's loading. So as I said, this is not a medical equipment. Well done. So it's cool. It's doing the job. And in order to get the most out of this watch and get accurate measurements and clear ideas, you can also install the application and start using it for full details if the watch goes off. Or one of the features which add to this smartwatch is the smartphone application, which is called Dafit. You'll find the links below the video, which adds a lot to this smartwatch and gives you an overview of all the features and the options that we have seen, especially the sports one. And that's the application. So as we said, it offers plenty of features and adds really to the smartwatch. Get more details of the device. Just click on add your device, switch on the Bluetooth and enable the location and other features. I want to enable the GPS now, and as you can see, it has appeared the S08. Click on it and voila, now it's connected and you can find all the details that you have saved on the mobile, and gives you an idea also about the battery, alarms, notifications, watch faces, the shutter as we said, which gives you an idea about automatically opens the shutter. You can set your profile, set your goals. This an overview. Not done the other tests, but all the information will be displayed in here. Keep tuned for our coming tutorials in which we'll be reviewing the application and how you can set it in order to get the most out of your smartwatch. So that was our smartwatch S08.
www.raqmedia.com.
The next tutorial. This is your host Izzadeen. Wish you a great day. See you soon. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com